you should know that, and already we know also that our aim of life is to have continuous spiritual journey. But in this spiritual journey, we need advice, we need direction. How to get direction? Lari Mahasaya has already advised to all truth seeker, to all persons who have great desire for a spiritual journey, that take a help from the Kriya Yoga meditation to solve all problems. Therefore, when you practice Kriya Yoga, then what happens? We listen voice of a spiritual counsel. That voice may be like whispering, maybe little loud, or maybe very loud. And this spiritual counsel, who is all the time inside, when we practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then we become a recipient. Our blind mind and intelligence faculty, they are working like a recipient, listener. Then what happened? Then our all citizens of this nation, head to toes, have joyful journey to achieve their ultimate aim, to realize that God alone exists. This is important point. And you may be knowing or may not be knowing. But I am telling you with confirmation, 100%, if 10% from this, our ashram, they join together as one unit, you will not only change India, you will change the whole world. What kind of change? All will celebrate unity. We will never like to practice discrimination, division on the basis of anything, on the basis of skin color, on the basis of professed faith, which we call sectarian religion, on the basis of caste, on the basis of our regional feeling, national feeling. We will never appreciate any kind of division. This is going to happen 100% if let us decide have only one aim, Kriya Yoga, nothing else. When we are standing, how to feel head to toes with the principal philosophy of Kriya Yoga. When we are walking, how to feel head to toes with the principle and philosophy of Kriya Yoga. How to feel breath, how to feel vibration when we hear, when ears are closed, and sometimes we listen without closing ears also. When we are working and resting all the time, if we have great desire to accept everything what we feel with the principle and philosophy of Kriya Yoga, then we are making our fast preparation. And due course of time we will be ready for it. You know, the whole world needs change. There's so much discrimination, so much fighting, so much killing, murder everywhere. It is because of ignorance. Therefore, spiritual counseling, it will remove ignorance. And how to get spiritual counseling? Just Kriya Yoga. Try to practice it more and more. In lying position, in sitting position, in working position, in resting position. This is for today. Let us bow down to this holy congregation with the revision. Let us continue our spiritual journey, getting direction from a spiritual counsel. A spiritual counsel will be active through the Kriya Yoga meditation. Bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. हम अपने लक्ष्य पर बने रहें, क्रिया योग के प्रति अपनी भक्ति को हम नमन करें. Now return to original position. हम पूर्व स्थिति में आए, आंखें खोलें, open eyes.